Hello again everybody, Asong Filipina, and here we are again in the car. It's very warm today, it's very hot outside, and I'm going to make a short video on taking off my boots. So next time I'm gonna buy a lot of boots. No, I'm going to buy a colorful boots because all I have is black, so I need like red. So now I've been to the garden and also driving nearby to my small farm and walking with these boots. But for now, since I'm home, I'm going to take this off. And I think we have to park first, reverse. So I'm going to park first, then after that I'm gonna take this off. So okay, let's start the car. It's driving reverse. So okay, we're here. Help me take off my boots. So this is my boots. It's black, and next time I'm going to collect brown and red. So first is, let's gonna take this one first. It's easy peasy. And so I changed colors today for my nails. So this is the color now. It's not black anymore. Last time it's black. So this is it, guys. And I have some ring in my finger. It's fashion, but it's so nice. And now help me take off the other boots, since a lot of you like to see it. So I'm gonna make more of this. Oops. Yes, we're done. So that's all for now, and again, see you next video. Bye everyone. So I hope you like my nail colors today. So it's blue. So it's blue here, dark blue, and also this one.